Newton. Now I kindly invite Inuli to the stage to present a speech about myself.
Good morning to all of you, my friends. My name is Inuli Asna Gunawardana. I am 5 years old. I live in Nigambo. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Menuka Gunawardana. My mother's name is Yashodhara Subhasinghe. My preschool name is Little Flower Preschool. My teacher's name is Shanika Damayanti. My hobby is dancing. My ambition is to be a air